In primetime news this evening, outage at Norman Manley International Airport on Friday triggers questions about the facility's operations. Small-scale business people want more earning opportunities from Mobay's premier entertainment event. And Union for councillors and mayors make fresh call for them to get security detail.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in the financial week. Javon Keys is here.
Well, Janella, we'll have the latest in the NCB Financial Group development, and in fact, they've appointed an interim CEO and Chief Financial Officer. I'll give the details a little later.
That story just continues. And Spencer Darlington has a preview of what's to come in sports. And is it football?
We'll have football as well, Archie, but there was a comfortable victory for the reigning world champion Sharika Jackson in the half-lap event at the Monaco Diamond League today, and there was an outstanding performance at the same meet by a young Jamaican who was making his Diamond League debut. We'll give you all the details in Primetime Sports later.
And now we have a short newscast this evening due to the live football match at 8. So there'll be no E-Prime weather and sports commentary, but we do have the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what has been your experience at Jamaica's international airports in recent times?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.